20, 25, 30 years of negative programming cannot be wiped out completely by some affirmations. This will take some time, this will take some effort, concentrated effort from your end. Repetition is key. Hi, welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're familiar. My name is Shireen Saluja and today we're going to talk about affirmations. Affirmations have been getting a very bad reputation. A lot of people now believe that affirmations don't work. Affirmations won't work unless and until you feel and you believe that they are statements of truth. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a few tips, tricks, and hacks that will help you make your affirmations go to work quickly and effectively. First things first, always do your affirmations when you're feeling balanced, somewhat neutral. If you're feeling happy and hopeful, that's an added bonus, but make sure you don't do your affirmations when you're feeling jealous, insecure, angry, frustrated, guilty, shameful, and all of those low vibe emotions. To make your affirmations really go to work, my first tip is to write them down. And when I say write them down, I don't mean write them down on notes on your phone or your laptop. I actually mean write them down on a physical paper. I don't know what magic happens when you put pen to paper, but affirmations come to life. And I know that I cannot prove this scientifically, but trust me, when you write things down, it is like a union of your conscious and your subconscious. And in this union of your conscious and your subconscious mind accepts things quickly. My next tip is to stand in front of the mirror and say your affirmations out loud. So go ahead, stand in front of a mirror, look into your eyes and say your affirmations. Standing in front of the mirror and saying your affirmations out loud will feel silly at first, but I promise you, you will get over it really quickly and you will really start enjoying doing your affirmations this way. Doing your affirmations this way can also evoke a very strong emotional response, and my only suggestion to that is embrace it all. My next tip is to do your affirmations when you're feeling really powerful. Sometimes I like to do my affirmations when I'm working out. When I'm lifting these weights, I am feeling powerful, I'm feeling certain, I'm feeling like I'm in control, I feel like I'm strong. So with that feeling of power, I'm doing these affirmations. And my subconscious then thinks that whatever she is saying must be true, and it starts to accept it. Okay, so the idea is to feel good when you're doing these affirmations, and when I'm working out, I feel good. Now, obviously, I don't do these affirmations if I'm jumping up and down, if I'm running, or if I'm doing a high intensity workout. It's just not possible to do all of that activity and say these affirmations together. But when it is slow paced, like just walking or lifting weights, which are not so heavy, I go to town with my affirmations and it works beautifully. My next tip is also the most important tip today. So if you take away one thing from this video, make it this. Do your affirmations right before bed. Just as you are drifting off to sleep, those moments when you are half awake and half asleep, those moments are crucial. This is literally when your conscious mind and your subconscious mind unite. In this union of your subconscious and your conscious mind, your subconscious is very, very suggestible. It is open, it is receiving. So whatever you say, whatever you think, literally moments before you go to bed, your mind takes that in, it goes all in and it starts to believe all those things. And again, as soon as you wake up, the first thing you should do is do these affirmations. Because right as you wake up, your subconscious mind is still very open, it's still very suggestible. So don't check your emails, don't get on social media, don't get up and drink water, don't brush your teeth. Do your affirmations before you start your day. By doing your affirmations as you fall asleep and as you get up, you are going to amplify these affirmations. Your mind will start believing these affirmations and you will start to see results very, very quickly. Last but by no means least, get creative. If you are a singer, sing your affirmations. If you are a dancer, dance your affirmations. If you are an artist, draw or paint your affirmations. Sky is the limit when it comes to creativity. So the idea is to feel good, to feel happy, and to feel joyful when you do these affirmations. And if there is some kind of activity that brings you that happiness, that brings you that joy, then try and marry your affirmations with that activity, and the results are going to be phenomenal. When it comes to affirmations, repetition is key. You need to do them regularly, you need to do them often. You can't just do them one random time and forget about them. You have to make them a lifestyle choice. Adopt them into your lifestyle and see what works for you. Start doing affirmations regularly, start believing in your affirmations, and yes, your affirmations will start working. With that said, I'm going to wrap this video up. I hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.